Hello friends, welcome to Bangage Math Academy. In previous video, we have learned question 7 to question 10 of problem set 2. In this video, we will see question 11 to question 15 of problem set 2 of quadratic equation. Let's start. Eleventh example is a star example. Mukund purchases ₹50 more than what Sagar purchases. The product of the amount they have is 15,000. Find the amount each one has. We have to find out amount each one has. So first of all, read given example carefully and from given condition prepare a quadratic equation. पहा आता आपल्याला दिलेल्या माहितीवरून उदाहरण सोडवायचं आहे. मग उदाहरणात दिलेली जी माहिती आहे मुकुंद purchases ₹50 मोर दॅन व्हॉट सागर purchases. म्हणजे मुकुंद जवळ सागरपेक्षा ₹50 जास्त आहेत. सपोज लेट Sagar has ₹X, then Mukund has ₹50 more than Sagar purchase. So Mukund has ₹X plus 50. See, product of the amount they have is 15,000. म्हणजे ह्यांच्याजवळ जी असणारी रक्कम आहे, जी संख्या आहे, त्या संख्येचा गुणाकार x into x plus 50 is equal to 15,000. Simplify x into x square plus x into 50x is equal to 15,000. Transfer 15,000 to LHS. X square plus 50x minus 50,000 is equal to 0. पहा आता आपल्याला हे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन मिळालं. मग आपण हे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडने सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करूया. सोडवता येईल का पाहूया. Coefficient of quadratic term is 1, middle term is plus 50x minus constant term is minus 15,000. Split middle term such that product of that two number is minus 15,000 and sum of that two number is plus 50. Split middle term like this, so that two numbers are 100 minus 100 and plus 150. Sum of these two number is plus 50 and product of these two number is minus 15,000. पहा आपण मधल्या पदाची फोड अशा रीतीने केली जेणेकरून त्या दोन संख्येची बेरीज मधल्या पदा एवढी आली पाहिजे आणि त्याच दोन संख्येचा गुणाकार हा कॉन्स्टंट टर्म एवढा आला पाहिजे. मग आपण मधल्या पदाची फोड केलेली आहे त्या पद्धतीत लिहूया. x स्क्वेअर राईट डाऊन मिडल टर्म लाईक दिस मायनस 100x प्लस 150x minus 15,000 is equal to 0. From these two terms we can take x as a common factor. X into bracket divide x square by x minus divide 100x by x 100 plus from these two terms we can take 150 as common factor. Divide 150x by 150x, plus into minus minus. Divide 15,000 by 150, 100 is equal to 0. For these two bracket, write down one bracket x minus 100 into other bracket x plus 150 is equal to 0. Product of these two bracket is equal to 0. So at least one bracket should be 0. So equate each bracket is equal to 0. X minus 100 is equal to 0 or x plus 150 is equal to 0. Transfer minus 100 to RHS. X is equal to 100 or transfer plus 150 to RHS. It becomes minus 150. We get two values of x. We suppose that Sagar has rupees x. So if we take x is equal to minus 150, then amount cannot be negative. Amount cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 150 is unacceptable. So proper value of x is 100. So Sagar has 100 rupees. Sagar has rupees 100 and Mukund has rupees x plus 50. Put value of x 100 plus 50 is equal to rupees 150. Twelfth example is a star example. The difference between squares of two numbers is 120. The square of smaller number is twice the greater number. Find the numbers. Read carefully given example and from given condition prepare a quadratic equation. पहा आता आपल्याला त्या संख्या शोधायच्या आहेत. मग आपण आपल्याला उदाहरण सोपं जाण्यासाठी आपण कुठल्याही दोन संख्या विचारात घेऊया. समजा 7 घेतली. 7 स्क्वेअर किती होईल 49. दुसरी एक घेतली 5. 5 स्क्वेअर किती होईल 25. डिफरन्स बिटवीन स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ टू नंबर म्हणजे आपण याला असं लिहिलं 7 square 49, 5 square 25. Subtraction of this 24. मग आता पहा आपण दोन संख्या विचारात घेतल्या त्यापैकी मोठ्या संख्येचा वर्गातून लहान संख्येचा वर्ग वजा केला. मग अशा दोन संख्या आपण घेतल्या तसाच विचार इकडं करूया. पण इकडं आपल्याला त्या संख्या माहीत नाही आहेत. मग त्यासाठी आपण त्यापैकी मोठी संख्या जी आहे ती तात्पुरती x गृहीत धरूया. लेट greater number be x, then square of smaller number, square of smaller number is twice the greater number. Twice the greater number. Twice means 2 times. आता greater number आपण गृहीत धरलेली आहे 2 into x. मग स्क्वेअर ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर काय होईल 2x होईल. डिफरन्स बिटवीन स्क्वेअर ऑफ टू नंबर, स्क्वेअर ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर x, स्क्वेअर ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर 2x, देअर डिफरन्स इज 120. मग पहा आपल्याला एक समीकरण मिळालं. ट्रान्सफर 120 to LHS. x square minus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. We got quadratic equation. Coefficient of quadratic term is 1. middle term is minus 2x, constant term is minus 120. By splitting the middle term, find two numbers such that their product should be minus 120 and their sum should be minus 2. So that two numbers are 10 and minus 12. Product of these two minus 120 and sum of these two number is minus 2. X square plus 10x minus 12x minus 120 is equal to 0. From these two terms we can take x as a common factor. Divide x square by x, x, plus divide 10x by x, 10, minus. From these two terms we can take 12 as a common factor. Divide 12x by 12, x, minus into minus, plus. Divide 120 by 12, 12 10 120 is equal to 0. For these two bracket, write down one bracket, x plus 10 into other bracket, x minus 12 is equal to 0. Product of these two bracket is 0. It means that at least one bracket should be 0. So equate each bracket is equal to 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. Transfer plus 10 to RHS, it becomes minus x is equal to minus 10, or transfer minus 12 to RHS, it becomes plus x is equal to 12. We got two values of x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to 12. If we take x is equal to minus 10, then square of smaller number is equal to 2x, 2 into minus 10 is equal to minus 20. But square of any number cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 10 is not possible. Square of any number cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 10 is unacceptable. So value of x is 12. So greater number is 12. Then smaller number, square of smaller number is 2x is equal to 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Square of smaller number is 24. Taking square root of both sides, smaller number is equal to plus or minus root 24. So we got two smaller numbers, plus root 24 or minus root 24. So that two numbers are 12 and plus root 224 or 12 and minus root 24. 13th example is a star example. Ranjana wants to distribute 540 oranges among some students. If 30 students were more, each would get 3 oranges less. Find the number of students. पहा आता आपल्याला या ठिकाणी नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट शोधायचं आहे, म्हणजे एकूण किती विद्यार्थी आहेत त्या ठिकाणी. त्यासाठी आपण एक छोटंसं उदाहरण समजण्यासाठी घेऊया. समजा तुमच्या वर्गामध्ये एका विद्यार्थ्याच्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त 100 चॉकलेट्स वाटप करायचे आहेत आणि त्या दिवशी 20 मुले प्रेझेंट आहेत. मग प्रत्येक मुलाला किती चॉकलेट्स मिळतील बरं? 21 जा 20, 25 जा 100, म्हणजे प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला किती चॉकलेट्स मिळतील? 5 चॉकलेट्स मिळतील. पण समजा त्या दिवशी योगायोगानं 5 विद्यार्थी वाढले. मग 5 विद्यार्थी वाढल्यामुळं आता एकूण विद्यार्थी किती झाले? पूर्वी होते विद्यार्थी 20, आता 5 वाढले म्हणजे 25. चॉकलेटची संख्या तर तेवढीच आहे, विद्यार्थी झाले 25. मग आता 25 विद्यार्थी झाल्यामुळं प्रत्येकी किती चॉकलेट्स मिळतील? 25 1 जा 25, 25 4 जा 100. मग आता यावेळेस प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला किती चॉकलेट्स मिळतील? 4 चॉकलेट्स मिळतील. आता पूर्वीपेक्षा 1 चॉकलेट्स कमी मिळेल यांना. मग तसंच आपण या ठिकाणी विचार करूया, याच समीकरणासारखा या ठिकाणी. आता या चॉकलेटच्या ऐवजी या ठिकाणी आपण ऑरेंजेस दिलेले आहेत. नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट माहीत नाही आहे, ते आपण तात्पुरतं गृहीत धरूया. लेट number of students be x, then each student would receive 540 upon x oranges. Then 30 students were more. Then 30 students were more. Then number of students is x plus 30. Then each student would receive 540 upon x plus 30 oranges. पहा आता पूर्वी एका विद्यार्थ्याला 540 अपॉन x एवढे ऑरेंजेस मिळायचे. नंतर विद्यार्थी वाढले, मग आता प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला 540 अपॉन x प्लस 30 ऑरेंजेस मिळत आहेत. म्हणजे आता पूर्वीपेक्षा कमी ऑरेंजेस मिळतील ना. मग ते किती दिलेत आपल्याला? इच वुड गेट 3 ऑरेंजेस लेस. 540 अपॉन x मायनस 540 अपॉन x प्लस 30. मग पूर्वीपेक्षा आता किती ऑरेंजेस लेस मिळतील? 3 मिळतील. यावरून आपल्याला एक समीकरण मिळाले, हे आपण सोडूया. डिनॉमिनेटर्स आर डिफरंट, सो टेकिंग LCM ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर अँड टेकिंग क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. 540 इंटू x प्लस 30 मायनस 540 इंटू x, 540x अपॉन x इंटू x plus 30 is equal to 3. Simplify this. 540 into x, 540x plus 540 into 30, 0 0 3 4 are 12, right, to carry 1 3 5 are 15 and 1 16, 16,200 minus 540x upon product of this x into x square plus x into 30, 30x is equal to 3, plus 540x minus 540x get cancelled. 16,200 upon x square plus 30x is equal to 3. Transfer this to RHS. 16,200 is equal to 3 into bracket x square plus 30x. Transfer 3 to LHS. 16,200 upon 3 is equal to x square plus 30x. Divide by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 15, remains 1, 12. 3 4 the 12, 3 0 0 3 0 0. So 5,400 is equal to x square plus 30x. Transfer 5,400 to RHS. 0 is equal to x square plus 30x minus 5,400. Transfer both sides. X square plus 30x minus 5,400 is equal to 0. Hence we got a quadratic equation. Coefficient of quadratic term is 1, middle term is plus 30x, constant term is minus 5,400. Splitting the middle term. Split middle term such a way product of that two number is minus 5,400 and sum of that two number is plus 30. So that two numbers are plus 90 and minus 60. Product of these two number is minus 5,400 and sum of these two number is plus 30. Split middle term. X square plus 90x minus 60x minus 5,400 is equal to 0. From these two terms we can take x as a common factor. X into bracket divide x square by x, x plus 90x by x, 90 minus, from these two terms we can take 60 as a common factor. 60x divided by 60x minus into minus plus 6 9 the 54, 0. X plus 90 is equal to 0. For these two bracket write down one bracket x plus 90 into other bracket x minus 60 is equal to 0. Product of these two bracket is 0. So at least one bracket should be 0. So equate each bracket is equal to 0. X plus 90 is equal to 0 or x minus 60 is equal to 0. Transfer 90 to RHS, it becomes minus, x is equal to minus 90, or transfer minus 60 to RHS, it becomes plus, x is equal to 60. We got two values of x is equal to minus 90 and x is equal to 60, but we suppose that number of students be x, so number of students cannot be negative. Number of students cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 90 is unacceptable. So x is equal to 60. So number of students are 60. So there are 60 students. There are 60 students. 14th example is the star example. Mr. Dinesh owns an agricultural farm at village Talvel. The length of the farm is 10 meters more than twice the breadth. In order to harvest rainwater, he dug a square-shaped pond inside the farm. The side of pond is 1/3 of the breadth of the farm. The area of the farm is 20 times the area of pond. Find the length and breadth of the farm and of the pond. तर पहा, आपल्याला हे उदाहरण सोडवायचे, त्यासाठी दिलेलं उदाहरण काळजीपूर्वक वाचा आणि ते वाचल्यानंतर आपण अशा प्रकारचं एक फिगर काढलेली आहे. दिनेशनं एक शेत घेतलेलं आहे आणि या शेतामध्ये नंतर पिकाला पाणी देण्यासाठी, पावसाच्या पाण्याचं पुनर्भरण करण्यासाठी त्याने एक छोटासा स्क्वेअर शेप्ड तलाव, पॉन्ड हा खोदलेला आहे आणि या तळ्याचं पाणी देऊन तो शेती करू शकेल नंतर. तर आपल्याला या शेताची बाजू आणि तळ्याची बाजू किती आहे हे शोधायचं आहे. मग आता हा जो मोठा रेक्टँगल आहे तो फार्म आहे, ॲग्रिकल्चरल फार्म, आणि हा छोटा जो स्क्वेअर शेप्ड जो क्वाड्रिलॅटरल आहे तो पॉन्ड आहे की नाही. मग आपण याची ब्रेड समजा x गृहीत धरूया. देन लेंथ ऑफ द farm, length of farm is 10 meter more than means plus 10, more than twice the breadth, twice means 2 times the breadth means 2x. So length of that farm is 2x plus 10 meter and breadth is x meter. Then see in the example, the side of pond is 1/3 of the breadth, 1/3 of the breadth is x. So side of pond is 1/3 into x means x/3. Let breadth of farm be x meter and length of farm is equal to 10 meter more than twice the breadth means 2x plus 10 meter. Farm is rectangular in shape. So area of rectangle by using formula is equal to length into breadth. So area of farm is equal to length 2x plus 10 into breadth x. Then pond is square in shape. Pond is square in shape. So side of pond is equal to 1/3 of the breadth means 1/3 into x meter. Area of square by using formula, area of square is equal to side square. So area of square shaped pond is equal to 1/3 into x bracket square. If we simplify this, x square upon 9 square meter. Area of pond then say area of farm is 20 times the area of pond. Put value in this. Area of farm 2x plus 10 into x is equal to 20 into area of pond x square upon 9. Simplify this, 2x into x 2x square plus 10 into x 10x is equal to 20x square upon 9. Transfer this 9 to LHS. 9 into 2x square plus 10x is equal to 20x square. 9 into 2x square 18x square plus 9 into 10x 90x is equal to 20x². Transfer 18x² plus 90x to RHS. 0 is equal to 20x² minus 18x² minus 90x. Simplify this. 0 is equal to 20x² minus 18x², 2x² minus 90x. Transfer both sides. 2x² minus 90x is equal to 0. Divide each term by 2. 2x² by 2 minus 90x upon 2 is equal to 0 upon 2, 0. 2 get cancelled. x² minus 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. x² minus 45x is equal to 0. From these two terms we can take x as a common factor. X into bracket x, divide x² by x, x minus divide 45x by x, 45 is equal to 0. Product of these two is 0, means each bracket should be 0. Compare each bracket is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x minus 45 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 45. But x is breadth of the form, so breadth cannot be negative. Breadth or length cannot be negative. Breadth cannot be negative. So x is equal to 0 is unacceptable. So value of x is 45. We got breadth is 45 meter. Then length of the farm, L is equal to 2x plus 10 is equal to 2 into 45 plus 10 is equal to 2 into 45, 90 plus 10. Addition of this 90 plus 10, 100 meter. Length of the farm is 100 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Then side of the farm, side of pond is equal to 1 upon 3 into x. 1 upon 3 into value of x is 45. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Side of pond is 15 meter. Write down answer. Length of the farm 100 meter, breadth 45 meter and side of pond is 15 meter. 15th example is a star example. A tank fills completely in 2 hours if both the taps are open. If only one of the tap is open at the given time, the smaller tap takes 3 hours more than the larger one to fill the tank. How much time does each tap take to fill the tank completely? First of all, read carefully given example and prepare equation from the given condition. आता पहा, आपल्याला हे उदाहरण सोडवायचं आहे, त्यासाठी आपण एक सोपं उदाहरण घेऊया. आता आपल्याला हा टँक भरायचा आहे 2 नळांनी, एक मोठा नळ आहे, एक छोटा नळ आहे. समजा उदाहरणार्थ हा टँक पूर्ण भरण्यासाठी त्या 2 नळाला 4 तास वेळ लागतो. किंवा आपण एकाच नळाचा विचार केला, समजा एका नळाला भरण्यास 4 तास वेळ लागतो असं उदाहरण घेऊया. मग एका तासात किती टँक भरला जाईल बरं? 1/4 पार्ट. दुसऱ्या तासामध्ये पण 1/4 पार्ट. तिसऱ्या तासामध्ये 1/4 पार्ट. चौथ्या तासामध्ये 1/4 पार्ट. ह्या सर्वांची आपण बेरीज केली, डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे. 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 म्हणजे 4/4 म्हणजेच 1. म्हणजे एक टँक भरण्यासाठी एवढा वेळ लागेल. म्हणजे एका तासात 1/4 पार्ट भरेल आहे की नाही. मग 4 तासामध्ये तो एक टँक पूर्ण भरेल. तसंच आपण इकडे पण विचार करूया. लेट टाइम required for large tap alone to fill the tank be x hours. मग एका तासामध्ये किती टँक भरल्या जाईल? 1/x पार्ट इन 1 hour. 1/x part of tank will be filled. Then time required for smaller tap takes 3 hours more than the larger one. Time required for smaller tap alone to fill the tank 3 hours more than the larger. So x plus 3 hours. So in 1 hour 1/x plus 3rd part of the tank will be filled. If both taps are open, 1/x plus 1/x plus 3 is equal to. आता पहा, हा टँक भरण्यासाठी 2 तास लागतात. मग एका तासामध्ये किती टँक भरल्या जाईल? हाफ म्हणजे त्याच्या निम्मा, म्हणजेच 1/2. आपल्याला यावरून एक समीकरण मिळालं, हे आपण सोडूया. टेकिंग क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन 1 × x + 3 x + 3 प्लस 1 × x x अपॉन x × x + 3 is equal to 1/2. Simplify x plus x 2x plus 3 upon x × x x square plus x × 3 3x is equal to 1/2. Taking cross multiplication 2 × 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 × x square plus 3x. Simplify this. 2 × 2x 4x plus 2 × 3 6 is equal to 1 × x square plus 1 × 3x 3x. Transfer 4x plus 6 to RHS 0 is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 6. 0 is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4x minus x minus 6. Transfer both sides. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. We got quadratic equation. Coefficient of quadratic term is 1, middle term is minus 1x and constant term is minus 6. By splitting the middle term, split middle term like this, product of that two number is minus 6 and sum of that two number is minus 1. So that two number are minus 3 and plus 2. Product of this is minus 6 and sum of this is minus 1. So we split middle term like this, minus 3x plus 2x, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. From these two terms we can take x as a common factor. X into bracket x square divided by x, x minus 3x divided by x 3, plus from these two terms we can take 2 as a common factor. 2x divided by 2x plus into minus minus, 6 divided by 2, 2 3 the 6 is equal to 0. In one bracket write down x minus 3, in other bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. Product of these two bracket is 0. It means that at least one bracket should be 0. Equate each bracket is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Transfer minus 3 to RHS. X is equal to 3 or x is equal to transfer plus 2 to RHS. X is equal to minus 2. We got two values of x. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. If we take x is equal to minus 2, we suppose that time required for tank, so time cannot be negative. Time cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 2 is unacceptable. So value of x is 3. So we suppose that time required for large tap is 3 hours. Time required for smaller tap, time required for smaller tap alone to fill the tank is equal to x plus 3 is equal to value of x is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 hours. Write down answer. Large tap takes 3 hours and smaller tap takes 6 hours to fill the tank alone. So we completed problem set 2 of chapter quadratic equation. Please like, share, comment the video and subscribe to Bangej Math Academy to get the notifications of new videos. Thank you.